And news just coming in, the Maharashtra government has directed the FDA, the Maharashtra administration, to seize remdesivir injections that are lying in the state of Maharashtra but are meant for export. There is an export ban at this point of time. They are neither being exported nor are they being sold in Maharashtra, nor are they being given to the state of Maharashtra where they are needed most. So the Maharashtra government has directed the FDA to seize all the remdesivir stocks that are lying in the state of Maharashtra. Let's listen in to Nawab Malik before I get you more on this big story.
महाराष्ट्र सरकार खरीदना चाहती है तो बेचने वालों को रोका जा रहा है। हमें लगता है ये कौन सा रवैया केंद्र की सरकार अपना रही है? क्या ये भेदभाव का रवैया है? क्या महाराष्ट्र में रहने वाले भारत में हैं कि नहीं, ये केंद्र की सरकार को बताना पड़ेगा। अगर केंद्र सरकार ने इसी तरह का दूजा भाव का रवैया अपनाया तो हमें लगता है कि महाराष्ट्र की और देश की जनता देख रही है। हमारे पास और कोई दूसरा चारा नहीं। हमने हमारे जो फूड एंड ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के मंत्री हैं उनसे चर्चा की है। उन्हें कहा है कि कहाँ कहाँ ये स्टॉक है जानकारी लीजिए और सारा मामला सीज करके लोगों में तकसीम कीजिए। अगर इसी तरह से केंद्र रवैया अपनाएगी तो राज्यों को भी कानून के तहत जो अधिकार है उसके तहत कार्रवाई करके अपने लोगों की जान बचाने के लिए काम करना पड़ेगा।
I quickly want to cut across to India Today. It's Vidya breaking this big story on India Today. Vidya, have these raids started? Are raids on? And why have things come to such a pass that the Maharashtra government has to direct the Food and Drug Administration to go seize all stocks of remdesivir in the state?
Well, Maharashtra government is very clear on this aspect. The fact that remdesivir production will really pick up in the next 8 to 10 days. But the next 8 to 10 days are the ones which is extremely crucial. That they don't have the medicines for this, and for procurement of these medicines, they have been asking the central government to either decentralize it, one, or secondly, let the state government procure it from whichever company it is. But according to the Maharashtra government, what they are being constantly told by the companies is that the central government is the one which is asking them not to go ahead and sell it to Maharashtra government, and it is because of this that now that the FDA has been ordered by the Maharashtra government to go ahead and seize. I spoke to the FDA commissioner and they said that they are in, the entire plan is in the pipeline. They are doing it, and most probably by tomorrow they will have something more for the people of Maharashtra to deal with if anyone's been COVID infected. And
okay, I have Tom Vadakkan of the Bharatiya Janata Party joining me on the show. I also have Priyanka Chaturvedi, Rajya Sabha Deputy Leader of the Shiv Sena, with me on the broadcast. Also with me is Dr. Shama Mohammed of the Congress Party. But quickly, Tom Vadakkan, that's a grave allegation that's being leveled by the state of Maharashtra that center is being accused of stepmotherly treatment when it comes to Maharashtra. Stocks are available, drugs are available, but not being made available to Maharashtra. Tom Vadakkan.
The point is, Gaurav, when they knew that this was a situation that they could do and act, what you have here is a hearsay from the company saying that not to be given to Maharashtra. Based on that, you have the NCP spokesman coming out and saying that the center has directed that it should not be given to Maharashtra. That's a pure hearsay, and on that basis, to allege that this medicine should not be given to Maharashtra is not logical, number one. Number two, as to the question of the oxygen issue.
Sir, I'll come to oxygen in just a moment. I'm coming to oxygen in just a moment. Can I get Priyanka Chaturvedi to respond to what Nawab Malik also said? Nawab Malik says seize stocks of remdesivir in the state of Maharashtra for distribution. Priyanka Chaturvedi, why have things come to such a pass? I'll come to oxygen in just a moment. But remdesivir, again, a very critical drug at this point of time. Though many doctors say whether it's really required or not, it depends on medical advice. But why seize stocks, ma'am?
I'll tell you why. You must understand that under the Indian Epidemic Act, while health is a state subject, it is now being controlled by the center. All the regulation, all the sales, all the stock is controlled by the center. So when the center has been apprised, when the chief minister and the prime minister meeting happened, when he was apprised that there is a shortage of remdesivir and this needs to be sorted, as well as when chief minister was addressing the people of the state, he did mention there's a shortage of remdesivir and we are sorting that out. The Prime Minister, through Ministry of Home Affairs, had also seized any kind of export, had asked for any kind of exports to be stalled.
Yes.
What happens? Maharashtra is producing these medicines, remdesivir. So obviously, if the export has been stalled, we are likely to purchase that stock. But what happens when we go to purchase the stock? We are told that we cannot be selling it to Maharashtra. I have just one simple question to ask the BJP spokesperson. If there was even an iota of untruth in this, what was spoken by the minister, then the entire Bharatiya Janata Party would be out on the streets screaming their lungs out and trying to, bring the true picture out.
Okay.
There is the truth. This is the truth. And there's only one person who trolled. The person happens to be the Commerce Minister of India. And he's the one who decides the export-import licenses and whose licenses can be cancelled. And he also happens to be the Rajya Sabha MP from Maharashtra. So those are questions which need to be asked of the
I'll get
Bharatiya
Tom
Janata
Vadakan
Party,
to
who
respond to
was
that.
taking those
I'll get
decisions.
Tom Vadakan to respond to that. I'll also get Shama Mohammed into this conversation. But before that, since the issue of oxygen or the paucity or shortage of oxygen